Good morning, everyone. Thank you for taking time out of your day to be with us. We're so excited to discuss our project for Create A State with you. My name is Vannessa Rivera, and these are my partners. This is Madison Simon, and this is Madison Grimm. We're all seniors in the Coordinated Dietetics program at Arkansas State. So the focus of our project was to create a plant-based breakfast meal that could replace a traditional American breakfast. These traditional American breakfasts are typically created with animal source ingredients that are also high in calories, carbohydrates, and fats. Therefore, we created our breakfast product called Vitality Bowls. Vitality Bowls are a vegetable-based smoothie bowl that provide consumers with key nutrients found in vegetables such as vitamins A, K, and C, and it is also an excellent source of protein and fiber. Our target population was young adults and college students like yourselves. We had to take into consideration the different barriers that this population faces when they're trying to maintain a well-balanced diet while also meeting the daily nutrient recommendations. The main two barriers we focused on in this project was the cost of the food item and time constraints. This population typically revolves around a busy and hectic schedule, which we wanted to address. We expect our food product to be sold in the freezer section at your average grocery store. The package will contain 2 smoothie bowls. This helps to provide consumers with 2 nutritionally balanced breakfast meals for under $10. We landed on the idea of a smoothie bowl after researching different methods of incorporating key nutrients into breakfast meals. We felt that this smoothie bowl would be the most effective way to provide consumers with a nutrient-dense breakfast that was quick, easy, and enjoyable.
We also wanted to touch on why we decided to do a veggie-based smoothie bowl instead of your regular fruit. As many of you know, most smoothie bowls are fruit-based. However, we wanted to create a bowl that was unique, high in nutrients, and lower in sugar. So we decided that that would be our bowl that only contained veggies. If you look at these images in the middle of the screen, you can see that there are nutrition labels. We calculated the values based on the ingredients we used. This is evidenced by our smoothie bowls as a balanced breakfast option. The original recipe included frozen cauliflower, beets, spinach, unsweetened almond milk, chia seeds, frozen avocados, vanilla pea protein powder, oats, hemp seeds, almond butter, and agave. We also want to test the differences between the nutritional value and taste of the spinach versus kale bowls. For that reason, we also made a modified recipe, which is very similar and has almost all the same ingredients, except it contains kale instead of spinach. The original recipe contains 320 calories, 16 grams of fat, 24 grams of carbohydrates, and 6 grams of fiber, and 18 grams of protein. The modified recipe with the kale has a similar nutritional value with slight differences. It also contains 320 calories with 17 grams of fat, 25 grams of protein, 25 grams of carbohydrates, 7 grams of fiber, and 19 grams of protein. This bowl has 1 gram more of fat, carbohydrates, fiber, and protein than the original recipe.
All right, so we also did some research on a few of the characteristics of our product. This picture on the right shows our final smoothie bowl samples with all the toppings ready to be served to our testers. We conducted focus group testing for the product on October 18th, and we had 17 participants that sampled the original and modified versions of our Vitality Bowl. The participants were unaware of any ingredients other than the allergens, and both bowls were presented in an identical manner. We gave them a scorecard to give us feedback on how they liked the smoothie bowl and different characteristics of the bowl. It is based on a hedonic scale that scores consistency, flavor, appearance, and color. A rating of 1 meaning that they extremely liked it, and a 9 meaning they extremely disliked it. Only 16 participants tried the spinach bowl, and 17 participants tried the kale bowl. The results of our focus group testing shows that the smoothie bowl with the kale had a slightly higher appearance and color score over the original spinach bowl. Both the kale bowl and the spinach bowl scored the same for consistency and flavor. Overall, both bowls scored about the same, and there's not a huge difference between the two except for nutritional value. In conclusion, both the original and the modified recipes are very similar. Since we compared their nutritional value, consistency, flavor, color, and appearance, we were able to assess many different factors. However, it seems clear that the modified recipe beats the original in most of these categories, although only marginally.